Come open this up for him, man.
Is that a Dometic fridge you got? Oh, it is Dometic. Hell yeah.
Yeah. This is what he did over COVID.
That's awesome.
Yeah,
I love
so
it.
this is nice. It's a little bigger than what I originally was hoping for, but
Yeah.
I got a good deal on it. Actually, around Christmas before last. So you can put, and it keeps the temperatures real.
Is this
really
a
good.
dual
No,
freezer?
this one isn't. This is just a single.
So
But
That's cool.
there's others out there that you can get them,
Yeah.
and that's really sweet.
Yeah. Awesome drawer system. Well done on that.
So I've got things pretty tight in here. So, but
Wow. Nicely
stove comes
done.
out, and then you got the utility drawer that comes out,
Nicely done.
and then I've got another utility drawer up here that will have spices and things like that in it.
I like how you notched out and did this properly on your joints there.
Tried to do a pretty good job on it.
Yeah.
And this is all recycled foundation forms, and so that was a lot of fun building this, getting the ideas
Yeah.
from it. There's quite a few guys that's you know, off the internet that's
Yeah.
you know, I've gotten ideas from. So the other thing that I liked about one of the ideas I got was the space underneath. This table here goes underneath here, and so, and I've got some toe straps in there, and then back under here I was able to use the storage that the Jeep has, and I can use storage back under here. So that allowed me to bring that up.
Very nice setup. How much
And,
weight do you think you're carrying back there?
I think that that's probably in the neighborhood of 150 pounds, 125 maybe. And then I'm eventually, I don't know if you noticed, but eventually I'm going to have,
This little table on the side right here?
yeah, this will come up, but with, I
with
made
your
it,
gear?
and I'm going to have to change it because it hits here.
Yeah.
But that's the same as I've got right over here.
Very cool.
Cutting board there, and then actually this will have a cutting board that slides out right here also, and so it's you design it so your refrigerator and then what you're doing with the stove.
Yeah, you got to figure out your equipment, measure it, and then build around it.
And that's exactly it.
Yeah.
And
Yeah, I just built a drawer system for a Toyota Land Cruiser a couple weeks ago for this lady, and did kind of a similar setup as yours. Not as detailed with the drawers inside the drawers. I did just the one drawer inside the drawer, and for her fridge to come out like that.
right.
And yeah,
And depending on how you lay it out, put the refrigerator on one side or the other.
Yep.
Some guys have put the refrigerators over there, and then they have a fold down table here that they cook off of too. So
I like the way you did it. It's very user friendly and easy to get to everything.
and then I will have
look at that. You got a little
running
12 volt.
water also.
That's a 12-volt sink, right?
That'll be
Or
a 12 volt.
faucet?
And then so once this out, the sink will pop down, and then I have
Oh,
a
you
bucket.
got the silicone sink that pops down, yeah?
Right,
That's what I
uh-huh.
have in my build as well.
Yep.
That's perfect.
So that gives you just a little extra.
Yeah.
And the water is going to be up in that seat right up there.
The one side of the seat. Right now, you just got the plastic container.
Yeah, look at you with the seats and the pockets and everything going on. Awesome.
And so that I've got a submersible pump
Yeah.
that will go down into one of those, and then that'll supply the faucet.
Perfect.
And the shower on the back.
Solar panels that lift
Full
up on his
bat wing.
pop-up tent.
This might as well throw out the bat wing. We're here.
What's that?
Might as well throw out the bat wing.
Well, yeah, we could do
The
that.
awning goes all the way around.
Awning.
Oh, you got the
270
three.
degrees,
Oh,
right?
yeah, yeah, yeah.
And then I've got panels that go on it too, so you can enclose it or expand your
Very cool.
shade area.
Very nice setup. What's your name?
John,
John. What's your name?
Josh.
Josh. I'll shake your
Saunders.
hand, but
nice to meet you. Your name was
my name's Rick.
Rick.
Yep.
Nice to meet
Where are
you.
you from?
From Salt Lake area, up north.
Oh, we're Layton.
Yeah.
Layton. Oh, very
I work
nice.
downtown.
Oh, cool, cool. Yeah. I just started my nomadic journey about a week ago. I started down on Lake Powell and ended up meeting two guys in their vans down there. They helped me get unstuck and ended up caravanning with them. They're heading up north too, so
Cool.
just a perfect opportunity to hang with other people and just have that sense of security on the road. You know, to have
That's cool.
people to watch after you. So
Yeah. Where are you heading to?
next stop, we're kind of dinking around here for the next couple of weeks, and then we'll be heading to the San Rafael Swell area next.
Oh yeah.
So we have a Facebook group. It's got a lot of cool people in it. It's called Camping Explorations and Nomadic Ventures. I posted it on the video earlier on. I would definitely go check it out. It has a lot of cool people in it and a lot of helpful people. And we also like to help each other with locations, especially if you're a nomad. I think it's really important to know where the cell service is and just a safe place to go. So that's what that group is really good for. Is if you're going to be living the nomad life on the road, other people can help you out with good spots that are safe and have good signal, and have some people around, because it's also important. You definitely want to have someone in the distance, so if you're in need of help, you can scream and someone will come to you. If you're on your own, out in the middle of nowhere, it makes things really difficult if you get in trouble. So join that Facebook group. We love to help each other out. We love to give locations as long as you're respectful and you keep the area clean. I think helping each other is what we need to be doing out here on the road. So if you like the content, leave a like, comment down below, and leave a subscription and follow me along.